as you can see, we're going to do a complete rebuild on Camp Deadwood. So I am able to get back here now for the first time since February, late February. And there's some tree markings. So we're looking at 10 to 15 feet tall, which floodwaters did come through. Surprisingly, that tripod actually withstood. The fire pit, for the most part, withstood. But the shelter couldn't withstand the force, it's too much. So, plenty of stuff's down to rebuild. Just have to get tools back out here and go that route. Today we're just going to pick through, gather what I can gather, and save what I can save, cut what I need to cut. So the makeshift sawhorse is back together here. Good start. The pile of wood that the screws got to come out, and throw it up there, take the bark off, and up on a sawhorse, and we'll see how good the wood is. See in the distance there, that floating leaf, that was how high it got through here at one time. Other markings around the trees that was coming in shows a much higher rate. So I'm 5'9", so you're probably looking at 6 foot tall to 15 feet tall from the highest I've seen. So complete rebuild for sure. Definitely nothing salvageable. That's still salvageable, but we're going to rebuild it too, and should be interesting. So this is going to wrap up today's video, and next time we'll be back here, and we'll start looking at what wood I can salvage and what I'm going to need to find. Have a good day.